Hello, everyone. My name is Miss Marta Lopez, and I am your English teacher. Welcome to this new Bertha class. Today is Saturday, August 14th, 2021, and I really hope you can learn something new today. Today, we're going to be learning about one of the many tenses we have in English, the present perfect tense. By the end of this video, you will be able to talk about events in terms of the present perfect tense. During our daily routine, we talk in many different tenses. For example, we can say, she wakes up early in the morning, I speak French, he works in the hotel as a chef. These are examples of simple present tense sentences. But if we said, he's walking to the door, he's trying hard to complete the degree, the teacher is delivering the lecture, we're talking about the present progressive tense. But if we said, he has planted a ridge of cauliflowers in his garden. The teacher has explained the use of the verb to the class. Or I have not yet taken my lunch. In this case, we are talking in the present perfect tense. So keep in this class and you will discover what the present perfect tense is and how you can apply it in your daily talking. To begin this class, we will read a little paragraph. I need you to read with me aloud. Linda has just walked outside with grandmother. She wears an apron. So far, she has finished cleaning and washing. She has also gathered seeds and crumbs. Now, Linda and grandmother are outside. Linda has just dropped some seeds on the ground to feed the birds. The birds have not come yet. Recently, grandmother has moved in with Linda's family. She now enjoys living with them. Grandmother has already sat down on the bench. She also wears an apron. She has just finished cooking. Grandmother and Linda waved at the bird. They have seen birds in the yard before. Grandmother has always liked to watch the birds. Linda has always liked to feed them. If you want to read the paragraph again, you can pause the video and read it. Okay, I hope you have understood what we have just read, because now let's answer some comprehension questions. Let's see, number one. What has Linda finished doing so far? Excellent. She has finished cleaning and washing. Number two. What has she just dropped on the ground? Perfect. Linda has just dropped some seeds on the ground to feed the birds. Number three. Where has grandmother moved recently? Great. Grandmother has moved in with Linda's family. And the last, what has grandmother always liked to do? Perfect. Grandmother has always liked to watch the birds. Now, let's define what present perfect tense is. The present perfect tense refers to an action or state that either occurred at an infinite time in the past. For example, we have talked before. Or began in the past and continued to the present time. He has grown impatient over the last hour. In this class, we will learn that this term is formed by have or has plus the past participle. The construction of this verb tense is straightforward. The first element is have or has, depending on the subject the verb is conjugated with. If we talk about he, she, or it, we're going to use has. If we talk about I, you, we, or they, we're going to use have. The second element is the past participle of the verb, which is usually formed by adding ed or d to the verb's root. For example, walked, cleaned, typed, jumped, laughed. Although English does have quite a few verbs that have irregular past participles. For example, done, said, gone, known, won, told, felt, eaten. These examples will show how the present perfect can describe something that occurred or was the state of things at an unspecific time in the past. For example, I have walked on this path before. We have eaten the lasagna here. These are two correct examples. The important thing to remember about the present perfect is that you can't use it when you are being specific about when it happened. A correct sentence will be, I have put away all the laundry. But it will be incorrect if I say, I have put away all the laundry this morning, because I'm telling the specific time it happened. You can use the present perfect to talk about the duration or something that started in the past and it's still happening. For example, she has had the chicken pox since Tuesday. El pretérito perfecto o pretérito perfecto compuesto del indicativo se utiliza en español para expresar acciones ya terminadas que dan lugar a un estado o situación que sigue teniendo validez en el presente. El uso del pretérito perfecto es para expresar acciones realizadas en un espacio de tiempo que se extienden hasta el presente. Número 2, acciones realizadas en el presente que dan lugar a una situación o resultado que tiene implicaciones en el presente o en el futuro. Did you notice some present perfect tenses in the paragraph we read before? Let's take a closer look again. Linda has just walked outside with the grandmother. Has walked. She wore an apron. So far, she has finished cleaning and working. Has finished. She has also gathered seeds and crumbs. Has gathered. Now Linda and grandmother are outside. Linda has just dropped some seeds on the ground to feed the birds. Just dropped. The birds have not come yet. Have come. Recently, grandmother has moved in with Linda's family. She now enjoys living with them. Grandmother has already sat down on the bench. Has sat down. Very good. She also wears an apron. She has just finished cooking. Has finished. Very good. You noticed it. Grandmother and Linda wait for the bird. They have seen birds in the yard before. Have seen. Very good. Grandmother has always liked to watch the birds. Has liked. Excellent. And the last one, Linda has always liked to feed them. Has liked. Excellent. You have found all the present perfect tense examples we have in the paragraph. You deserve a virtual applause for all of you. Okay, you need to always remember the present perfect tense is formed from the present tense of the verb have and a participle of a verb. But pay always attention to the verb have. We always use has with the second person and have for the first and second. And also remember, there are regular and irregular verbs. As a homework, you are going to complete these sentences with the present perfect tense of some verbs. The instructions are to fill in the blanks with the present perfect tense of the verbs in the box. You may use a verb more than once. To do this, you can pause this video and copy them in your notebook or ask me for the printable worksheet. This is all for today in our English class, guys. I hope you have learned a lot about this topic today. See you in the next class. Bye.